Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So here we are going to discuss about how to set up the platform. So what I mean by platform is the front-end website, the mobile applications where we receive the customer traffic and convert to sales. On the other hand, we can say the online store where we display our products for sale. So this is ultimately our online store. Okay. So in case of the platform setup, there are 5 areas to be covered. So first one is the website, then the Android application, then the iOS application for iPhones, backend admin panel, then integration with your ERP and other services. So coming to the website allows the customer or the user to visit your store quickly as possible without installing any mobile applications. Also, the users from the laptop and PC can be accessed to your store only through the website. So this is the requirement for the website. Then the mobile applications. Mobile applications are majorly divided into two, the Android and iOS. 70% of the mobile devices in the world are running on an Android operating system, and 30% of the devices are iPhones, that is running on the iOS operating system. So we need to have both to reach each and every customers. Then coming to the backend admin panel, whatever the order we receive has to be processed. We need to upload the product into the system and upload banners, update offers on our platforms on a regular basis. A team has to do all these things on a daily basis. They can do only when they have an access to do that. So that access is called the backend admin panel. So this admin panel will be having the link to the website as well as the mobile applications. And the fifth one is the integration part. If we need to have the online payment option, then we cannot build this online payment system on a website. Instead, we'll have to integrate. We have to subscribe and integrate with another third-party online payment portal like PayPal, Razorpay, Google Pay, Amazon wallets, etc. So now I want to tell you one thing, that is whether your company needs only a website or only the mobile application, or you need both website and application, it depends on certain cases. We will discuss that in a different video. You can just subscribe my channel for those updates to receive as a notification. Now coming to the platform building. So here let's assume that we want to go for both website and applications. One thing we need to understand that the website, Android and iOS applications are 3 different platforms, and it has to build, maintain and update separately. So this is going to be a task. In my another video, which was talking about the functions of the e-commerce, I was mentioned a team called product team or the software team. So this same team will be carry out the function of platform building and maintenance for the company. The product team is a group of professionals who are specialized in coding and developing softwares. Based on our company requirements and the size of business, we can either set up our in-house team or we can outsource this software development functions to a software company. But each one has its own pros and cons that we'll discuss later. Now I'm going to discuss about the methods of how to set up the platform. The first method is build from scratch. As the name suggests, the entire platform can be developed from the scratch by a software team or the product team. Everything including website, applications, modules can be drafted and built from ground zero. So here we will have to wait for the team to complete their construction before we launch our business. But this method is useful to tailor suit our software requirements. This can be done either by our in-house team, or we can outsource these functions to another software company, or we can do by mix of both. Now let's move to the second method, that is the ready-made platforms. There are ready-to-use platforms available in the market, which will be available on a subscription basis or one-time purchase basis. Example, Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. In this case, we can set up our platforms quickly as possible by just creating an account and subscribe, then upload our products, then activate. The next method is online marketplace. Many of us know that we can sell the products on the platforms like Amazon, eBay. These are called online marketplaces. In these cases, we don't need to have a full-fledged platform, but we can make use of their platforms and customers, and we simply need to upload our products into their system, and whenever we receive the orders, we just pack and hand over to them. The rest they will take care. So this is another method. The next method is social media accounts. You can use the social media pages for e-commerce or selling the products online. There are many people and small business across the world use the same method by just uploading the product details as a post on the social media pages, and they will receive the orders through the chat boxes and calls. Then they will ship the product to the customer. So that's all about these sessions. I'll be keep posting more informed videos, so please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.